I will be showing you all some healthy, yummy meals and treats that I love so much, and I think that you will also love. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. So to start off, you want to start off with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. So I'm taking some eggs, and I'm only taking the egg whites out of the eggs. We're going to use the yolk for something else, but I'm taking the egg whites. Then I'm going to be taking some spinach, and I'm going to be mixing that with my eggs, cooking that together. It's such a yummy combination. I love putting spinach with my eggs. So while we let that cook, I'm going to be taking a banana and some almond butter. So I'm only going to take half of the banana, and I'm just going to be cutting that into slices, and I'm going to be using the almond butter to put onto the banana slices. This combination is super good, especially if you're the type of person who loves like peanut butter. I highly recommend this as a snack as well, or you can use apples and almond butter or apples and peanut butter. And almond butter and peanut butter is good for weight gain, FYI. So now I'm taking some vitamin C. Vitamin C is really good. It's a list of benefits from vitamin C, so yeah, I don't want to list all of them because it's so much, but yeah, vitamin C is really good. And I'm taking some Yogi detox tea, and I like to squeeze lemon in my detox tea to give it the extra boost and flavor. And this is my breakfast, first meal of the day. Moving on to my second meal, or per se snack, I'm taking some silk almond milk and some cinnamon, and I'm going to be taking my BPI Sports Best Protein. The flavor is vanilla, super good, better with milk. If they take it with water, but it's disgusting with water, so I take mine with milk. And I'm taking 1 cup of that protein because that's what it says, only 1 scoop, 1 cup or whatever. Not 1 cup, my bad, 1 tablespoon. And I'm taking some cinnamon, and I'm just going to be blending that all together. And I like to drink this mainly after I get done from my workout. Moving on to this yummy veggie chicken quesadilla. So I'm going to be taking some cut up chicken, and these are the seasonings that I am using. And I like to stay away from salt because, as you know, salt holds water, and I like to just use more spices because spices are great for fat burning, FYI. So stay away from salt and start getting seasonings that does not have salt in them. So I'm just gonna let that cook, and then I'm gonna be taking green onion, some peppers, red onion, and some spinach, and I'm gonna be chopping that all up. And I'm only gonna be putting the peppers and the red onions into the chicken. And I'm gonna just put the lid on top so they can cook. Now I'm taking some olive oil spray and some tortillas, some wheat tortillas. Calories, not that many calories. And then I'm gonna be taking some of this yummy salsa, and I'm just going to be spreading that onto my tortilla. And this is where we're going to put the chicken and the peppers and onions and everything together inside of this quesadilla. So that is what you are seeing me do now. I'm just putting it all into the quesadilla on top of the tortilla. Taking my spinach and my green onions, and I'm going to be taking some cheese. My favorite thing in the whole wide world is cheese, and I'm only taking 1 cup because I be overdoing it with the cheese. Trust me. And I'm going to be taking another tortilla, and I'm going to be putting that on top, and I'm just going to like lay that flat down. And then I'm going to, well, right here I've already flipped it over off camera because I didn't want to mess it up. And I'm just going to be cutting it into slices. And this meal is super yummy, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. So moving on to this is what meal number 4, if I'm not mistaken, is a turkey burger. And this is more so like a snack, I would say, not necessarily a meal, like a little snack to eat on throughout the day. So like I said, I normally don't like to season my foods with salt anymore, but I just took a little of that chicken seasoned salt, and I'm gonna be taking some mushrooms and purple onions, and that's gonna go into the pan with the meat. Let that simmer, put the lid on top. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be taking half a slice of a cheese, put the lid back so that cheese can melt pretty good. And I'm taking some sandwich thins. I love this bread so much, better than the regular buns. And I'm just gonna dress up my pretty turkey burger. It's super yummy. I added some tomatoes and spinach, ketchup and mustard, and this is really fulfilling, really yummy. and I try to get a lot of protein in. As you can see, I have a lot of meat. Last meal, this is like my dinner. So let's just jump right into this beautiful dish. So I'm taking some protein blends, some broccoli, and I'm going to be taking some raw shrimp. And I'm going to be cooking my shrimp first. These are the seasonings that I'm using for my shrimp. A little bit of seasoned salt, not much. And I'm going to let that cook. While that's cooking, I went in and added my broccoli and my protein blends. I'm going to let that cook and simmer some more. And now I'm going to take some cauliflower rice. And I like to use this better than regular rice. So good. I highly recommend. I'm going to be taking some cinnamon, and I'm putting that inside of my cauliflower rice. And I'm going to be taking some cayenne pepper. And I know y'all like, what in the world you mixing your shit with? But I promise you, this combination is so good. And like I said, pepper is like, spices are really good for fat burn. So yeah, just an FYI, I like to eat my meals every 2.5 hours. So yeah, this pretty much concludes my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, let's get this video a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 50 likes for part 2. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video.